spend
Sure.
some time with her. Yeah.
Okay, Andrew, video number 2. This is the west-facing entry door, which Bob Batdorf has framed in anticipation of the surrounds, and we're going to need an answer as to whether or not Mr. Brachet has cut limestone for this particular door. And then we're coming in here to the study, and here's the opening for the west-facing French door, the north-facing French door. Here are the doors. And this is obviously the opening for the metal bays, which are coming on shipment number 2. We're really looking forward to getting that. It's going to be spectacular. These are the, this is the window for the kitchen, which goes right here. And I want to go outside so we can take a peek at how the windows are looking from the south side of the house. It's a warm day here. It's about 92 degrees but dry. So here we have the windows that have been installed in the southwest facing bedroom. They look fantastic. They will look even more fantastic once we get the stone surrounds. And I'm coming around here to show you how it looks from the west side. All 3 second level windows are in on the west side, and gee, it looks just wonderful. You agree, Bobby?
I think it's fantastic. They seem to operate perfectly.
Yeah, they're operating perfectly, and we just, I think, answered our question about the raw metal for the hardware. I went on your website, and I think I saw the metal painted, including the handles. So we do need some advice on that, but we're leaning towards painting everything other than the handles, and would also need your input on that. And I'm going to come around to the north side. There's the west-facing French door from the study. Here we are on the north side. There's the study, out to the family room, and see they've got one of the French doors in. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but that northwest Jack and Jill window is in. That's the Jack and Jill bathroom, and that is yet to be put in, but I know they're working on it. And that's it. Over and out.